Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another banger video. This is something a little different. Usually I would put this on my OnlyFans. Follow my OnlyFans. The first link or second link in my description. It's not the kind of OnlyFans where I teach y'all how to edit, how I film, how I shoot photos, and all that. So subscribe right now. I think I'm having a good sale right now. But today, this morning, as you see by the title and thumbnail, as you know, I fly drones a lot, and I bought the FPV DJI drone about 2 months ago, and I have yet to actually fly it in manual acro mode. I am terrified. I've seen videos of people crashing it, losing it, where they go high in the sky and it just drops. I am terrified. So obviously you see my car, and then you see the other car. I'm guessing you wonder who car that is, and today's car is the one and only Carlos.
Hey, what's up, guys?
If you don't know him, then you know that I tell y'all that he's the drone goat, because I'm not on his level.
I appreciate
with the drone, so I'm trying to learn to fly FPV from him. So that's what we're doing today. I am terrified.
Exactly what we're doing today, and that is exactly what you're gonna do. And
I am terrified.
I'm excited, guys. If you don't know me, my name on Instagram is Daddy in Spanish. I do go by the name of Papi. I'm a video editor. I am a videographer, but I'm also a very dope drone pilot. I'm confident about that. This is why we're here, and today I'm gonna show Sway how to be more confident with this FPV, because that shit is crazy, and you're gonna see that today. Alright guys, like Sway said it, we're gonna do some dope FPV content, and for today I'm gonna be using the GoPro 9 and also the Nosgo 5 HD version 1, because I heard there's a new version. iFlight, please sponsor this video so we could get a couple onto Sway and me for some dope FPV content. So here you go. So these are the batteries that I use. I do Fly 4S for now, just because I think that's pretty fast. But I do use these. Shout out to Ovonic. But let's go. So I just realized that this shot is fucking dangerous, but you know what it is? You gotta go in confidently wherever you go. Take a risk and, you know, risk it to get the biscuit. So flying this, and look at the clouds. Now you know what's up. Let's go. All right, boss, here we go. Yeah, man, like I want to do like you know how I did a revealing shot of the Compton school?
Yeah.
I want to do that like for here.
That'll be tight.
Coming from like all the way over there, because I did do some cool stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm low-key fucking guys, I am nervous for one thing, the wires over there. I do not see them
Can't see them.
Like at all.
That is so scary.
And it is pretty dark over there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix my eyes so through the camera in here, because there is 2 cameras. One camera is for me to see here, and this one is dark when I'm facing there, obviously, because we're facing towards it. But I'm gonna fix it.
About to go, so what I'm about to do, I'm about to go test my environment. Good thing with DJI, the batteries do last a good like 15 or 20 minutes opposed to a normal actual FPV drone. The batteries only last like 3 minutes, so that gives me more time to be more comfortable with the environment. So I'm about to put the first battery, cruise around, see what's all over there, what's in the mountains. But I'm actually nervous because, man, I was scared for him. When I say I was scared for him, I was pretty scared. So because I lost, I'm a little confident because this is pretty safe. You're not going to really like actually like fall out the sky opposed to an actual FPV drone, which he has. It's a little different. Got the actual drone itself, the goggles, the battery, 2 other batteries over there, and a remote. I have a bag full of drone stuff. He has a full case of 1,000 batteries. Yo, you're definitely the GOAT of the drone world.
Guys, he is the GOAT of being so goddamn solid.
I appreciate
content.
it. I appreciate it, yeah.
Because
I'm trying.
Guys, content creation is fucking hard.
It's hard as hell.
And it's like he feels it, and I feel it too.
You can go into depression mode instantly.
Exactly.
Instantly.
Guys,
That's the scary part. Like trying to focus on more content and post like trying to go focus on your life. It can give you some a little goddamn hoorah in the system.
Exactly.
3, 2, 1. in life in general is don't be scared, man, cause yeah. But you see the field we was in from the drone or from the camera view. Empty field. I haven't been. We are about to throw up the Mavic 2 and the Mavic Air 2. So yeah, let's get to it. That AMG is sexy.
It's nice, huh, for a starter? Until I get my GT.
Not better than fucking starter car. Usually for starters, people get like the C300.
I know.
Yeah, but you went straight to the AMG.
I know, bro.
So I'm like, I started. Well, yeah, we both started off with normal cars. Then so
Out here, we doing
yeah, young too.
But that windshield crack though.
Both, yeah. So mind you, we both have a windshield crack. So that's yours is right in the middle too.
Yeah.
I couldn't see it as much in the morning because it was like obviously foggy.
The good thing is that when you go towards the front, you don't see it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Good thing I'm gonna get that shit fixed. And today too, I got hit.
You can't really see it.
Look.
Oh damn.
Like it scratched my thing, nasty.
Yeah, I like the seats too.
Thank you, bro. I'm gonna switch them to the AMG ones, and everything lights up like from the inside and.
Oh, and that's what I love too. Yeah, like everything lights up and shit.
Yeah.
Damn. I'm not gonna lie. Comfortable. I like the Alcantara seats.
All right, guys. So we did some fun, crazy FPV stuff with Sway.
Crazy.
Not
scary.
only did we fly the Nazgul 5 HD, but we flew the DJI FPV.
It's actually cool.
Sway did not know how to fly it on FPV mode.
Yeah.
So, you know, we showed him a little few tricks.
It's actually doable, but I was just being scary. I'm just being scared. So it's like you can easily do it. It is probably the.
And he did try it.
Yeah, it's probably the throttle thing that was messing with me because I'm just used to actually like having to manually use the throttle myself.
The good thing though, bro, is that you're gonna learn because you're with the best.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
And we're gonna go to
together.
some cool, dope FPV like travel spots.
We going
with
everywhere.
The whips, and not only that, we might even have some exotics here and there. So
You never know.
we never know.
Because you know me, I'm always around some type of car. I'm always around something.
He's gonna also let you guys know, guys, that we are about to
fly the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Air. So we came from the FPV world, so now we're going back into the normal commuter daily use of a drone.
Yes.
Way easier than flying FPV.
Easier.
Way easier. Way easier. I think it's a little cheaper, technically, because like building an FPV drone is
a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
But
yeah, so
all right, guys, we're gonna show you. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's throw in some cinematic drone shots now from the Mavic.